How's it going, everyone? It's Mark, and today I'm back with more YouTube content. I have a video for you about how to find trending products at a given moment online, or should I say the hottest products on the market that will sell on your dropshipping store, eBay account, Amazon account, any of that. And there's definitely an easier way, less time-consuming way to find products that are selling. You can, for example, scroll through the Explore feed on Instagram, and then if you see anything that's being advertised, let's say AirPods, fake AirPods, then those are probably trending at a given moment or time. Or simply Facebook. You just run through your feed. If you find ads on there being displayed and exhibited, then it's probably popular, it's probably selling, or people won't be wasting their money advertising for that specific product. So let's hop into it. I'm going to take you over to my computer. I'm going to show you my methods I use, what websites I use, what extensions I use on Google Chrome to help me find what is trending at a specific moment or time. So before we get started with this video, I wanted to put big emphasis on the fact that really everyone does have their own ways, methods, synergies, and how they do their product research and what they do and what's helpful for them, what gives them insight. These are the ways that I think are most helpful, at least for me. I know everyone can do it their own way, and it can be as simple as literally getting in your car on a day off during the week or the weekend. I know you probably want to sit down and relax. It's a Saturday, you're working 9 to 5, but you're going to have to take initiative into your own hands. You're going to have to, get out of your comfort zone if you're really trying to make a second stream of income with drop shipping and its whole business model. But what I'm trying to get back to here, I'm getting a little off track, is you can really just drive to Walmart, Kmart, Christmas tree shops, Target, whatever store that you go to get your goods or your necessities, and you can walk up and down the aisles looking for what is in stock and what is not in stock, and that can give you great insight right there. If it's toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste, every time you go there it's out of stock, then it's probably got demand. If it's got demand in storefront, then it's got demand on the online storefront. I'm stating it right now. Your online presence is going to be the most important aspect of your business. Roll around 5 more years. It probably is the most important aspect, and I'm saying that right now. But to get back to it, I'm going to show you my methods and my ways. Like I said, you can literally just drive to a Walmart or any of those places and see what's in stock and wasn't in stock. You can talk to the employees maybe. If they actually exploit the logistics to you and say when their duration for restocks coming in and stuff like that, that's awesome. That's beneficial for you. But I'm going to be showing you the ways that I think are most beneficial to you and most efficient in finding a hot product for dropshipping. The first method I have for you today is a Google Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. I highly recommend getting this because it's free. You can just go on your computer right now, go on the browser, and just type in Keywords Everywhere and download it just like that. Very fast. And basically what this keyword extension is it allows you to find out and gain insight on search volume per month around a specific phrase, a person, a product, a sports team, any of that. So you got Amazon right here, 277 million searches a month, cost per click 0.2 or 2 cents, and then 0.15 for the competition, or 0.15. And this is very helpful if you think about it. If you're trying to divvy it down between you got two items, you got a posture corrector and let's say fake AirPods, you can find out what is more popular at a given time or month. And you can also track. There's another way to track products. Let's say it's called Google Trends. It's a free tool you guys can use. It's much easier than downloading the keyword extension, even though I highly recommend doing that. This takes less time. You can just go to Google Trends, type in anything you want. So you got Kim Kardashian here, Taylor Swift, World Cup soccer. I mean, I would assume World Cup's pretty popular because soccer is the most popular sport in the world. Let's see, what are we searching here? AirPods, I guess. AirPods. Obviously, there isn't going to be a whole lot of data because this is a new product that came out recently. So in the past 5 years, it's going to show just a huge increase at one point, probably in the fall of 2018, around there. So this is the past 12 months. You can track them, see their growth. You can look into what sub-region or region that is most popular and what state. You got related topics down here. So let's see the past year, or 5 years, should I say. It's not going to be much data because it's a new product, like I said. But you can go back 5 years. You can probably go back more. Let's see. Yeah, you can go back, way back. This is good for stocks as well. But as you can see, yeah, you can basically track it all the way up till the recent times. This is a very good method using Google Chrome, or the Google Chrome extension, keyword extension, and the Google Trends app or website online. So another tool I like to use are these websites called thieves.co and watchcount.com. I've definitely mentioned these in prior videos that I've made. But basically what these websites do, what they're here to aid you for it's to show you what product is trending in each category. It's that easy. These are products from AliExpress, so you got to watch yourself with how cheap they are, and the shipping times, obviously the shipping times can take up to freaking 40 days or something like that. But yeah, what I like to do here is I like to find a product that has over 400 likes or hearts, whatever you want to call it. And basically that shows how trendy that product is, how many times people reposted it and commented and shared about it. So let's find something here. Okay, this detachable leash right here. I would try to sell that on my dog page or my pet page, whatever pet store that I ran. I would probably try to sell this and make an ad. Let's be honest here. You can really sell anything if you're good at marketing. If you know how to market, you know how to create the ad sets, campaigns, and how to narrow it down to engage shoppers and stuff like that. You are completely capable of selling almost anything on the internet. The other website that I like to use is very similar to this. I've mentioned it once again in my prior videos. It's watchcount.com for eBay dropshipping, and you got categories here, and you can run through it and see what product is most popular per category. So this Invicta watch has 11,000 watchers, or close to 12K, and the watchers are basically people that save the page and are interested in coming back and purchasing it down the road. It's really that easy for finding products for your dropshipping account with these websites. One last method I'd like to share with you guys is basically using Amazon's best sellers. I know you could have thought of this without watching the video, but let's be real, there's really many ways you can do your product research. You don't need this video. You can do it on your own if you really want to, but if you're watching this video, then you're definitely a little lost in trying to find the best ways, and I think these are the most beneficial ways to you. But like I said, there's many ways you can do it. You just got to be willing to put in the work and try to put yourself inside the consumer's mind almost, to understand the psychological aspects behind impulse buying. And I was doing research the other day, and $10 to $40, that range is basically an impulse range. If it's cheap enough where they don't have to check their spreadsheet and their budgeting, then they can just purchase it right there, then and there. But the whole point of trying to sell a product is trying to sell a problem solver. A problematical error in someone's life, they're trying to solve it with an item that they buy. So let's say a phone case, yes, that does solve the prevention of cracks and dents in your screen and stuff like that, but a better choice would probably be to buy a posture corrector, because let's be real, the past 10 years, past decade now, smartphones have been out, probably it's been longer than that. If you think about it, everyone's slumping over on their phone before they go to bed, always using their Instagram and Twitter and looking for the notifications, the dopamine release before they go to bed. Everyone sits in a cubicle nowadays. Not everyone, but people sit in cubicles. A posture corrector is a great product to sell right now because it solves a problem, and that's the whole point of trying to sell a product. So let's get into it. I'm using Amazon's bestseller for the last method I'm showing you. It's already right here in my recent search. So look at that. It's also another benefit to this keyword extension is it shows you in the drop-down menu so it's basically much more convenient. It shows you all the search volume in the drop-down menu too. So if you're typing in Amazon, you got all these methods and not all these methods, but all these similar related topics and fields. So let's go to Amazon bestsellers. It's the same as any other website that I just showed you. It shows what is trending in each category. And if something is selling on Amazon, let's be real, it's gonna sell anywhere else because Amazon is the most trustworthy e-commerce retailer out there. And if you can't sell a product, you gotta keep trying. Everything's about taking initiative, having a better work ethic, and striving for failure. Failure helps you grow. If it doesn't sell in a week, keep trying. Try 3 weeks. What you gotta do is you're gonna have to make all these different ad sets, all these different campaigns, all these different methods, these different targeting options, who to put it in front of on Facebook. You got engaged shoppers, you got kids, you got a different age group, you got older people. Try all these different methods, and if it doesn't work after 2 to 3 weeks, then definitely cancel it because something's not working and you should put more research into it. But yeah, it's basically that simple. You got all the categories here on Amazon, and you can just go over after and list it on eBay or your website if you really want to. Those are the methods that I think are the most applicable with trying to find a trending product and trying to find something to sell on your website to allow you to build a second income stream. You can sell most things if you know how to put a spin on things and recreate your own photo shoot for that product, and to add a little spice to the description. It's really how much work you put into it. So thank you so much for tuning in for today's video, and I hope this helps you with how to do product research and finding trending products. There really is thousands of ways to do it. Probably not thousands, but many ways. You understand, you get my point. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you guys another time.